Good morning, we're on day 5 in Buenos Aires. Today in the agenda, we have a 3-hour free walking tour, so we'll get plenty of content and hopefully learn a lot about the city.
Yep.
So this behind me is Palacio San Martín, and it's probably the most luxurious palace in the city. This is what we tour guys.
The guy that invented Braille is Argentinian. Here's his statue. He's the creator for the system for teaching and writing for the blind.
Hey, here's our haul from Jumbo. We skipped lunch, so we kind of went crazy with the snacks.
Got crackers for like 50 cents. Got a thing of like strawberry Oreo things for like $1. Here's some barbecue sauce that was like $1. Got some more steak. Can't go there without getting some steak. Some chocolate Oreo type thing. Big thing of butter because we already used the last one. Got some dulce de leche pack. Big thing of broccoli, like $2. Got some fresh squeezed orange juice for like $1. Can't beat that. 2 avocados for like $1.50. And Anna wanted to try some cookies and cream milk, which is going to be good with our coffees. All this was like $26. Now for today's budget breakdown. Day 5. Started out, got an Uber. That was $6 for like a 45-minute drive. Went on that walking tour. We gave them $8.11 tip, or what was that, like 1,200 pesos. Then we stopped at the end of the day and got some groceries for dinner. That was $26.28 for a grand total of $40.39. That left $13 in the piggy bank.